Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake no egg, no oven. Begin by mixing dry ingredients in a large bowl and whisking until even. Stir in your egg substitute, plant-based milk, oil, and vanilla until smooth but not overmixed. Heat a heavy pan with a rack for steaming or a covered skillet with low heat for stovetop baking. Pour batter into a greased tin and cook gently until a toothpick comes out clean. For stovetop baking, place a small metal rack inside a large pan and add hot water beneath but not touching the tin. Cover tightly with a lid wrapped in a towel to trap steam and keep heat steady. Start on medium heat for a few minutes, then reduce to low for the remainder of cooking to prevent scorching. Rotate the tin once mid-cook for even color and test with a toothpick when the timer nears completion. To elevate flavor and texture, blend in natural sweeteners like mashed banana or applesauce for both moisture and lift. A teaspoon of vinegar added to 1 cup plant milk creates a tangy buttermilk substitute that reacts with baking powder for better rise. For depth, add vanilla extract and citrus zest, or fold in chocolate chips or nuts for texture. Taste the batter and adjust sugar slightly to match your preferred sweetness level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.